Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking immediate action. Check Python 3, 8+ and path, then make a virtualenv to isolate changes. Once done, activate it and install core packages like requests and pytest so you can reproduce results. This prevents system conflicts and speeds iteration. Make sure to use a consistent interpreter and run a simple hello script to confirm execution. That gives you a reliable baseline before tackling the actual problem. You next focus on diagnosis through iterative experiments. Reproduce the issue in a minimal script or a unit test so you know what truly fails. Then trace execution with logging, PDB, or concise print checks to observe state and values. This explains why behavior diverges. Once you spot suspicious code, isolate the module and replace inputs to confirm causality. Keep changes small and commit frequently, because small steps make the problem tractable and the fix reversible. You finish by applying a minimal, well-explained fix and immediately running your test suite and linting to verify behavior. Once tests pass, add a regression test so the issue won't return. This documents the why and ensures CI catches future regressions. If things still go wrong, bisect recent commits, recreate the environment, and confirm dependency versions. These steps reveal hidden regressions. One key troubleshooting tip: if behavior differs across machines, freeze deps and compare Python path and end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.